Hi guys, this is Vikas Kashyap. Do you believe me that I made this report within 5 minutes, and to make this report I used only one option. Do you want to know how I made this report? Just watch this video to the end. Wherever your data is, just put your cursor on your data. After then, go to Home tab and click to Analyze Data. And when you click to Analyze Data, actually Analyze Data in Excel is an AI tool that analyze data for you. And when you click to Analyze Data, it recommends you some pivot table, some charts, and you could insert these pivot tables and charts if these are useful for you. You just have to click here, Insert a Pivot Table. When you click to Insert Pivot Table, it will automatically insert a new worksheet and insert a pivot table there. After then, you could copy this entire worksheet and paste this pivot table wherever you want to. If you don't like the recommendation, then you could ask questions directly. For example, I want average of amount by channel, and I want bar chart, so I will type here bar chart as well, bar comma bar chart, and now it gives you the bar chart. Click insert pivot chart and it will insert a pivot chart, and I will copy this pivot chart and I will go to this worksheet wherever I want to paste this chart. And now I will ask other question. The other question is sum of amount by state, and for this I want only pivot table, not any chart. Pivot table, enter. Now it will give you pivot table. Click to insert pivot table, and now copy this entire pivot table by Ctrl+C. Firstly, you have to select the entire pivot table by Ctrl+A. Then go to worksheet wherever you want to paste this. Like I want to paste this here. And if you want to change the theme of this report, then just go to page layout. Click here themes and choose the themes that you like if I click here, now I get this theme. Like this, you just have to ask a question, different types of question, and when you ask different types of question, sometimes you got error, sometimes you get unexpected results. But when you practice this for 1 hour or 2 hours, you will have good command on this analyze data, and it will be helpful for you definitely if you learn this, because it is an AI tool in Excel that Microsoft has built. Thank you for watching.